Hey ladies, it's your girl Ty, and I'm here today to show you guys this 13x4 28-inch body wave lace front wig. So as you can see here, I'm just showing you guys a little bit of everything that came in the box, and we love a good wig cap that comes with the wig, okay? So this is the wig fresh out the box. I really love the wig. It was super soft, had a little smell to it, but I pretty much, know that that's gonna come when you do get the hair. This is the lace. I haven't bleached it or plucked anything yet, but as you can see, the wig is very well put together. 3 combs, some straps in the back, and then this is the wig after I bleached the knots and plucked it. So let's just give me a couple hand claps for that, because girl, this is the best I've ever plucked a wig. So right now I'm just wetting the wig, putting some clips in, and then just kind of installing it. So let's get into this video. So I'm gonna start by cutting the lace. I always start with the ears. It's a little easier, get the wig fitted and adjusted to your head. So make sure that you are always cutting behind the ear. That's what works best for me. And then I also like to cut some spaces in between the wig so I can kind of even it out and layer it in a sense, so that when I'm putting the glue down, it's a little bit easier for me to apply. So as you can see here, I'm just going in with my Ebin lace spray. This is the black can. That's what works best for me. I know some ladies say they like to use the yellow and the red one. That don't be sticking for me, sis. So I use the black can. So moving on, we are just drying that first layer, and I like to do multiple layers because it helps it stick down a little bit more. Then I'm gonna lay that down, go in with my hot comb just to kind of seal it, make sure that the hairs are laying nice and flat, and then I'm gonna go over that with that spray again. So that's gonna be my second layer. And like I said, I'll always do 2 or 3 layers, so bear with me. It's gonna be a lot of layering of glue in this video, but you get the point, girl. Like I said, I'm going section by section as I'm gluing this down. Makes it a little or a lot more easier, actually. And always make sure that you are drying every section until it is clear, until you cannot see that spray, which this spray, once it dries, you don't see it anymore. That's why I like it a lot more than glue, and it's a lot less complicated. But yeah, like I said, just going in, spraying that layer down, blow drying it, combing back just so that it is laying properly and so those hairs aren't kind of clumping up, because I hate that. But yeah. Can we talk about how my hot comb broke on me? And this is why I jumped back, because I'm like, what is going on? Like, y'all, it was literally like popping, like I think it was a short in this hot comb, and I was so mad because I had just bought it. There we go again. Yeah, it was trying to kill me, y'all. It was trying to kill me. I was over it. Still using it because I just bought this comb and it was still hot. So we gonna get the job done today, baby. We gonna get the job done today. I brought my brush out because I was still trying to make sure that I could see where I was plucking at, or where I had plucked at, just in case I needed to pluck more. And also so it weren't any like stray hairs for when I cut the lace, things like that. So right here, I'm just parting those baby hairs that I'm going to use for later. They're not going to be perfect. Don't judge me. I'm not a professional hairstylist, sis. But yeah, right here, I'm just parting where my baby hairs are going to be, my little edges and all that. This might have been one of the hardest things I struggle with when doing this wig, because I'm such a perfectionist, and the fact that I'm doing my hair, like, I need it to look good. The fact that I'm not paying anybody else, I need this, like, I paid my money, I'm putting my time and effort into this, I need it to look good. So y'all gonna see me go in and out with this comb, and in and out with these tweezers. Just trying to make sure that that it was looking flawless, baby, okay? That's what I was doing. So, tune in. Typically, I would tell y'all don't over pluck, because, I mean, I don't know. It'd be a little hard for me to determine whether I'm over plucking or under plucking. And when I was first plucking the wig, I swear, y'all, I thought I over plucked it. When I put it on my head, I was like, okay, sis, like, you got something going here. But yeah, just making sure that when it's on the wig head, or even when it's on your head, to just keep wetting it or keep combing back so you can kind of see what you're doing, because that's going to be a determining factor. So here I'm just blow drying the wig while the spray dries in the front. So as you can see, I kind of just put my band on and started blow drying. I felt like it was also kind of drying the front a little bit too. So yeah, while you got that little wait time, find you something to do while that wig is drying. Watch a TV show, sing a song, listen to some music, call your man, your woman, whoever you need to call, and shoot, blow dry your wig and wait for that lace to dry. Because the longer that band stays on, the more melted that lace is going to be. So I was watching Wild 'N Out. I probably sat for, I don't even know how long, maybe 30 minutes waiting on that band to dry, just so it can kind of sit in, like I said. Here you can see I'm taking off my band, just kind of checking and seeing how late it is. And I preferably could have let it sit on a little bit longer, I believe. I just don't be liking my lace to lift up. I'm super picky. So here I'm just twisting those baby hairs down so I can get them out of the way. What you don't want to do is be trying to cut your lace and you cut off that baby hair, because the wig is already laid down and then you're gonna have to take it back up, make new baby. Like, it's just not gonna be a good turnout. So yeah, always get your baby hairs out of the way before you start cutting on your lace. I seen that they were still a little bit in the way, so I actually grabbed some clips and I clipped those back eventually. But yeah, here I'm just cutting the lace using one of those little razors that you can buy from the beauty supply, $1 or $2, super cheap. And I'm going in and cutting that lace in a zigzag motion. Now, do not be in a frenzy, sis. The lace is starting to give a little white, but that's what that ebbing spray is for. And we're going to go back in with that a little bit later. But right now, we're just going to focus on cutting the lace and getting that out of the way. So as you can see, I'm going back in with my ebbing spray like I said. And poof, voila. Where? What lace? What lace, baby? Okay. And we're going to put that band back on and we're going to lay them baby hairs, okay? But honestly, the good thing that I like about this spray is that it dries so quick. Like, sometimes you don't even have to use the freaking blow dryer. So after getting all of that hair out of the way, I'm now going in and cutting my baby hairs. I did kind of forget to cut my, what the freak is them called? Girl, my dang on sideburns. I forgot to cut my sideburns. But we're going to go back in and do that too. Y'all going to see I'm a little bit all over the place with this video. So bear with me. Bear with me. I'm coming back. I'm just now getting back into this, but I'm coming back strong. And if you do not have a small flat iron, you need to get you one. Let me tell you, you need to get you one. This is the little comb that they gave me in the box that came with the hair. Shout out to them for that, because I needed one. I definitely did not have one in the crib. But yeah, I'm just going out and making those sideburns now in the wig. A little bit late, but better late than never. And here I'm just doing the same thing I did with those baby hairs, cutting them and flat ironing them, putting that little curl in it, because that is what's going to make it a whole lot easier when you put that mousse on it and you're trying to get that baby hair swoop effect. And then for that mousse, I am using the She Is Bomb collection in the tone Sweet Caramel. Y'all, this stuff, like, you put it on your lace or whenever you swoop in your baby hairs and it just tints it instantly. Plus, it's a 2-in-1. Like, sis, I'm swooping my baby hairs, I'm tinting my lace. What else do I need? So we just swoop it open, swoop it open, swoop it open, honey. Swoop it open. Swoop it open until we can't swoop it open no more. Okay, now that we are done swoop-a-dooping and the lace is looking good, we are going to put this band back on and we are going to let it sit. This is what is going to melt your baby hairs. This is what's going to melt your lace too, because that mousse might lift it a little bit. It didn't do too much lifting for me. I know some other ladies have a little problem with it lifting. I didn't have any. But yeah, just put that lace back on and I'm about to go in and style this puppy. So I'm a middle part girl, especially when it comes to some straight hair. This is body wave, but I don't know. I wanted a straight look. I had some events coming up, so we made this a middle part. I did eventually go back, I think a couple weeks later, reinstalled the wig and did a side part, and it came out so fire. It was so cute. I wish I would have did it for the video. But girl, today we are doing a middle part. But yeah, as you can see, I went in with a wax stick and now I'm just going back in with my broken brand new hot comb and I'm laying that wig flat. As I said, my broken brand new hot comb, so I had to go back over top with it, or over it with my flat iron. Went in with my Chi heat protectant. Y'all, lather that. And then I'm gonna go in with the flat iron. Y'all, this hair was so soft. Like, even before I put the Chi heat protectant on it, because that will always soften up any wig, any weave, any bundles that you have. That heat protectant is what's going to bring that back to life after you went in and blow dried it and all that. But yeah, this hair was super soft. I was very pleased with it, especially because I only spent $100 on it, Amazon Prime, and it came in 2 days. Let's talk about it. Links in the description box. But yes, only $100, 2-day shipping Prime, super soft hair, 28-inch, fitting your girl like a 30. Let's get into it. So as you can see here, I finished flat ironing the hair. I'm now taking off my bands, and what? Do you see this lace? But hold on, we ain't done yet. I have to go back in, fix it up a little bit because I might have over plucked a little bit. Or just like, I think I was pulling out the knots. So I went in with some concealer. And as you can see, I had a little bit of a patch. But, hold on, sis. Don't worry about nothing. We going in with this mascara and we gonna fix that too. So there you got it. My little secret mascara and concealer. But seriously, I was in love with this wig. It is by SERENA store on Amazon. And if you love it, the link will be in the description box with all of the details. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.